High-pressure ball press is widely used in metallurgy, chemical industry, coal, and refractory industries. All metallurgical industry waste materials, auxiliary materials need to be on the furnace. All need to press the ball to complete. High-pressure ball pressing machine reliable quality, multi-purpose, strong pressure, suitable for large, medium and small enterprises, with a certain scale of production line use. Can be a variety of powder, through forced pressurization, pre-pressure screw precision, machining, made of high-density ball blank. High-pressure ball press, after years of industrial use and improvement, compared with other similar products, high-pressure ball press has the advantages of high ball rate, low power consumption, compact structure, and easy maintenance and debugging.